The next part in our set is going to be our LEDs. Now there are numerous LEDs used on this board. I'm going to start with the red ones. We'll talk about LEDs here first. LEDs are a polarity sensitive item. It's one-way street again on these guys. Just like, I mean, yeah, I was about to say just like a diode, but in fact they are diodes. Hence the what the D in LED means. It's for a light emitting diode. You'll notice the legs are different lengths. You will also notice on many LEDs, I'll see if this one has one. There we go. See if I can turn it where you can see this. There's a flat edge here on this LED going right across here. On this particular board, the guys were nice enough to match up your silk screen. You'll notice the flat edges are shown on each one of the silk screens. Sometimes you'll see a plus, sometimes you'll see a minus, sometimes you'll see a K for cathode. This makes it very simple to match these up. The red LEDs are for HB, which is found right here. ZC, which is our zero cross circuit. HB, by the way, stands for heartbeat. It's a diagnostic LED. So we're going to take this first LED for HB, and we're going to match the flat side up. We're going to zoom in so you can see. I want you to see that this flat sides match the silk screen. You can see the flat side of the LED there matched perfectly up with the silk screen. So what you do, you take your finger, stick your finger on the LED, you turn it over, and just like we've done several times before, you spread the legs out. And these legs are a little more stiff than the ones previously, so the board will actually stand up on its own. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the ZC LED as well, since they're both side by side. Once again, turn it over, put your finger on it, turn it over, and spread the legs out. And we can solder these in as they are. Get ready to move to the final power LED that is also red. There we go, 2 LEDs ready to roll. We're going to move over to the power LED, which has got the same. Here's the power LED. You'll see the words power upside down. In fact, I like to, well, let's just go ahead and flip it around. There we go. Here's the power LED. We'll match up the flat sides again to the silk screen. And flip it over. Finger on the back. Spread the leads. And solder it in, same as before. And there's all 3 red LEDs. The next one we have a green and a yellow LED. The yellow LED is for a communications diagnostic called a framing error. Hence, you'll see it noted on the PCB. We'll spin it around over here by the other 2 red ones. Here's framing error right there. Flat side of the LED goes in. Guess it would help if I get my hand out of the way. And slide the LED in, flip it over, spread the leads. And I'm going to do the same thing with the green one, because the green one is for the RX one right next to it. So again, we'll find the flat edge. Slide it in, bend the legs back out. And we're ready to solder again. And that should be all of the LEDs.